Here we will see thread overview in C#. Before understanding the concept of thread or multithreading in C#, let us first understand the multitasking. Multitasking means performing multiple tasks at the same time. Windows operating system is a multitasking operating system. That is, it has the ability to run multiple applications at the same time. For example, we can open the Google Chrome browser, Microsoft Word document, Notepad, Visual Studio, etc. at the same time. This is possible because Windows operating system is installed on the machine and the Windows operating system is a multitasking operating system. Then we will see what is process. To execute multiple applications at the same time, the operating system internally makes the use of processes. A process is a part of the operating system or a component under the operating system which is responsible for executing the program or application. So to execute each and every program or application, there will be a process. You can see the processes which are executing the programs or applications using the task manager. Execution of every program is a process, and a process uses the term called thread to run the code inside an application. A thread is a single sequential flow of control within a program. It can be also defined as a unit of process that is responsible for executing the application code. So every program or application has some logic or code, and to execute that logic or code, thread is used. Every process has at least one thread that is responsible for executing the application code. That thread is called main thread. So every application by default is a single threaded application. Here is a pictorial diagram that represents a thread. When a program is executed, each thread is allocated a certain time slice. To simultaneously execute several threads for their simultaneous execution, we must use multithreading. For example, to transfer large file from the client to server without multithreading, we would block the graphical interface, but using multithreading, we can separate sending file or even other resource intensive tasks into a separate flow. Today's client server applications cannot exist without multithreading. Here is an example for thread. Here class is defined and under main method we have written the message thread code. Here main is a thread which executes the program. Here we will see how thread works in C#. Here we have written the method main, and inside the main method we will write the message console.writeLine thread class demo. And to check working of thread, we will give here breakpoint. Then we will execute this. And when it comes to debugging window, we will open the debug menu. Then from Windows, we will open threads. It will display the name of the thread is main thread and the location of thread is console.application1.exe and then console.application1.program.main. That is, here main is a thread which is located under class program.